guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a shop with me. I am right outside Pottery Barn about to go in, and then after this we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and HomeGoods, see if we can find any fall stuff. I've been slacking a little bit. It's already October and I'm just putting up fall stuff in my house, so slacking a little bit, but it's okay. I'm taking you guys along with me, so we'll see what we can find today. If you're needing some ideas for decorating for fall, I think that Pottery Barn has a lot of great inspiration. They really outdid it with the dining room decor. I think that if you're gonna go all out for the dining room, this is a perfect time of year, especially now for Thanksgiving, Christmas. These chargers were stunning. I love the texture and the earthy tones, very beautiful. I loved this little bar stand, and these faux leaves were absolutely beautiful as well. Of course, the teddy bear blankets are gorgeous. I actually found a dupe at Target, which I think a lot of people have noticed that they have some really similar ones there. This vessel was absolutely beautiful, although I did not like the kind of green tone on the bottom. If it was a little bit more of a tan, I totally would have been all in for it. These wooden beads are absolutely beautiful and oversized, which is perfect. Once again, this rug is so gorgeous. I believe I showed this last time I was at Pottery Barn, and one day I hope to buy this rug. It's just so beautiful. I just don't know where I'd put it in my house that the dogs couldn't get to it. I really love these wooden pumpkins. I'm kind of going for a more natural look this year, not such an obnoxious, colorful look. So I think that these would be a great accent and they can go well in any type of room. I had to show this dish towel because, hello, it says Sarah's Kitchen. It was so cute. I didn't buy them. I maybe should have, but they were pretty cute. These crystal knobs were so adorable. I think on a dresser, they would just look so cute, like on a white or an oak wood dresser. I could totally see it. I thought these were beautiful. I thought this little entryway bench was really cute, perfect for like a little mudroom station. I think would look really cute, and I love the light wood color. These were totally dupes for Anthropologie. I actually have a mug that has this exact same like honeycomb design, which I thought is so cute with the black and white color. I absolutely loved this Ralph Lauren lamp, except they only had one of them. I don't know what I would do with just one. If they would have had two, I probably would have gotten them because they're just so cute and the shape was beautiful. This rug was so gorgeous. I'm trying to show you guys each individual weaving of the rug. It was so detailed and I love the neutral color. Okay, if you guys have dogs, you have to go to HomeGoods because they have the cutest little jackets, hoodies, sweaters. So cute. I loved this candle holder. I think it looks so vintage and unique. $19.99. They only had one of them, but this would be so beautiful in a bathroom. I really loved this console. It was so beautiful. The wood color in the video doesn't do it justice to what it looked like in real life. If you want to add a warm, cozy feeling to your home, I think these fur pillows would be a great touch. They are so soft and luxe feeling. I absolutely love this rug. The muted colors I just thought were so beautiful, and the detailing. This one was also beautiful. I think this one was $2.99 and it was huge. So gorgeous. And it has like a little bit of a hint of blue. I think it was just so pretty. Of course, we have to look at the crystals, rose quartz, actually a lot cheaper than I expected. This one is really pretty, $19.99. This amethyst kind of looks like the one that I currently have, which is so beautiful. They had a lot of really unique colors. I like to look at the different colors and see if they're priced different. They're usually a little bit cheaper than the normal amethyst and geode colors, but so pretty. This hot pink one here in the back, gorgeous. Definitely not my kind of style, but is very unique and pretty. This crystal, oh my god, I could not believe how beautiful. $499. Oh my god. I wish I could have bought this, but you know, $500 to spend on a crystal right now would be a little absurd. I'd probably get kicked out of the house if I did that. I got these florals from Trader Joe's. I can't remember the price of them. I think they were $2.99 or $3.99, but they are so beautiful and perfect for fall. I just love this burnt amber orange color. Just adds such a beautiful touch to your home, and I think using real florals instead of faux just adds such a more high-end look to everything, and I just really love it. I also got these adorable slippers. They are like the Sherpa material, and they're this gorgeous brown teddy bear color. These are so comfortable. I would definitely size up if you find them at your HomeGoods. I got a size, I think 7 to 8, so they fit perfect and they are so comfortable. This little white vessel here was the only thing that I got from Pottery Barn today. I know it's super tiny and cute, and surprisingly I just didn't really find anything else that caught my eye that was reasonably priced, but this vessel was $9.50, and then I just put some dried wheat in there for a perfect little fall touch. I really love the way it looked. I wanted to talk about Clark Soapery really quick and let you guys know some great products that they have. I've been ordering from them a few times now. They have high quality soaps that are extremely affordable. They just came out with lip silks that are absolutely amazing. Here is a 10% off code in case you guys are interested. And they are a Black owned brand, so definitely check them out and you will not regret it. I also found these bath bombs at HomeGoods. They were very affordable, $5.99 for 4 of them. I haven't tried them out yet, but I'm very excited. I think a cool way of decorating for fall is by using real pumpkins, real leaves, real earthy things that you can just find outside, and I think it adds such a beautiful touch to the fall decor this year. Last year, I will admit, I did, buy a lot of fake pumpkins and stuff from HomeGoods, but I don't know, this year I'm just kind of into adding a little bit of a different touch to my home, using real pumpkins and also some faux pumpkins as well, but I just think by mixing it up, it adds a little bit more of an elevated look to your home. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye! Say bye!